Bismillah-ir-Rahman-ir-Raheem. After days of fasting, after nights of prayer, a day arrives, a day of joy, a day of gratitude, a day of reward. This is Eid ul-Fitr. Eid ul-Fitr is not just the end of Ramadan. It is the celebration of completing a journey. Allah reminds us in the Quran, and that you complete the prescribed period and glorify Allah for having guided you, and that you may be grateful. Eid is a day of gratitude for guidance, for strength, for being able to complete Ramadan. Allah tells us, if you are grateful, I will surely increase you. Eid is a moment to pause and reflect, not on what we gained in this world, but on what we gained in our hearts. A softer heart, a closer connection with Allah. Allah reminds us, and they give food in spite of love for it to the needy, the orphan and the captive. Zakat al-Fitr ensures that no one is left behind on Eid, because Islam teaches us true joy is shared. Allah says, so remain steadfast as you have been commanded. Ramadan was never meant to be temporary. It was training, and now the real test begins. Allah reminds us, indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. Ramadan changed something inside you. Now the question is, will you hold on to that change? Eid is not just a celebration, it is a reminder that your heart can return to Allah and stay there. So celebrate, be grateful, spread joy, but don't lose what you found in Ramadan. Because the true success is not reaching Eid, it is reaching Allah. Eid Mubarak.